No, so I got this weird package this morning. I don't know, I haven't opened it yet. It's in this weird red box. No, it's in a red box. It's not a movie. Anyway, I read this weird story earlier today. Kind of freaked me out. Yeah, so there's this house on Briar Street. It's like no one knows where it came from. No, it's not on any maps or registry. It's like no one remembers anyone who's ever lived there. It's just kind of there. I know. It's not like it freaks me out, it just gives me a weird feeling. Like I want to go there. But I also never want to go there. Yeah, no worries. I'll see you later, okay? Yeah, we'll see what's playing. Okay. Okay, all right. Bye.
Empty?
Completely empty.
There was nothing in it?
Yeah, there was nothing in it. It was just this empty red box. Oh!
Jesus!
No, I remember. There was something inside. I think I remember.
That doesn't make any sense.
A letter. An envelope. Yes, did I read it? I must have, but I don't remember what it said.
All right, well, let's hope it wasn't empty.
Yeah. So what movie are we seeing?
Are you serious? The only movie that's out right now? The one that everybody's talking about? You know, the one about the mystery house?
They made a movie about that? That's impossible. It's too soon.
Yeah, I mean, but you know, it's all people are talking about. I mean, wouldn't you make a movie if there was something about a dragon or a unicorn or a narwhal? Right?
A narwhal? Yeah, I guess if it was a narwhal, they'd make a movie about it. That's a weird question, though.
It's gonna cough you up, you know. It's supposed to cough you up and spit you out. But you can't stay here forever. You don't even know what's in the box. You're stupid. You shouldn't even be here. okay?
What?
I was just talking, and then all of a sudden you had this really strange look on your face. What happened?
So, sorry. I guess I just need more sleep. I saw something. There's people, machines, and you. I don't know. I can't remember.
Well, was this one of your visions? I mean, do you have like psychic powers or something like
I don't
that?
have special powers.
Can you fly?
I'm not psychic.
Yeah, I'm just saying, if you can see the future.
It's not the future, okay? This is something else, something I don't like.
Well, I mean, I guess tomorrow's gonna be fun. We can walk to the mystery house, together.
I don't want to see it.
I mean, are you talking about the house or the movie?
Both.
Why not? I mean, we have to see it.
I don't have to do anything. This shit gives me the creeps and I don't want to see it, okay?
No. It's not okay. I need to see it. And I don't want to see it alone. This is everything right now. Okay?
That's so weird that you just said that.
Said what?
That this is everything right now? What did you mean by that? I'll think about it. Hey.
Hey, so I gotta ask you something.
Okay. Go ahead. What's up?
What does the mystery house look like?
Well, I mean, why?
Have you seen it? Or even a picture of it?
Look, I don't...
How do you know what it looks like?
I don't know. I mean, I must have been there. I can picture it.
I don't think you've been there. You know exactly what it looks like? What does that mean?
I don't know. What are you trying to say? I'm psychic again?
What? No. The same thing happened to everybody. There's no pictures, but everyone knows where it is. I can even picture the inside of it. Aurora, listen. Something strange is going on. Something is telling me that we have to go to that movie. Like we don't have a choice.
Mm-hmm.
Aurora?
Yeah.
What's happening?
Come in.
Hey, are you ready to go?
Yeah. Why are you dressed like that?
I mean, this is a very expensive hat.
You look like you own a strip club. A dirty one.
So. Hey, is that empty box?
Yeah.
Huh. I thought it was red.
What? So ridiculous.
Yeah. Wait. What is?
Every time I see this house, it's like it's been here before. Backyard? Basement? I know it sounds crazy. It's just, when I see it, it's like my mom's house.
I know exactly what you mean. I'm having this strange feeling of deja vu right now. I'm seeing this place like I'm a kid. It's my birthday and there's presents and it's really, really weird. I know what it is. It's a government conspiracy. Hey, I'm gonna make a stop real quick. I'll catch up with you at the theater.
The bodies of 18 rare exotic birds were found in a local man's apartment today. 59-year-old Fred Camus was shocked after stumbling upon the corpses of several parrots, cockatoos, and macaws scattered throughout his kitchen. The birds appeared to be arranged in some sort of artistic display. Camus said he had never seen the birds before and had no idea where they may have came from.
Smelled just terrible. Terrible smell. All these different colored feathers everywhere.
The person or persons responsible for the breaking and entering have still yet to be identified, although Camus says he doesn't intend to press charges. Rather, he's...
I like your hat.
It was a gift from my mother.
You're William?
And you're the guy with the camera.
You're the William?
Yeah.
Kevin?
Huh?
Do you know about a person named Kevin? Okay. So you're doing some rewrites?
Yeah.
May I ask what they are?
No.
Life is so very strange, and yet so familiar. Cut.
Hi. Just one, please.
Have you seen it yet?
Didn't it just come out this morning?
A lot of people who have seen it earlier have already come back to see it again.
You're serious?
Yep.
So what is it, like really scary or something?
I don't know. I haven't seen it. I don't want to see it. Enjoy the movie.
Okay. a bad dream. In the dream, I was a grown woman. Nothing was quite right. Everything just seemed backwards. The world felt empty. Empty of kindness. I could feel this terrible thing bubbling up from somewhere just beneath the surface. A darkness that just kept growing and growing, like a shadow in the afternoon, swallowing, infecting, turning me into it. Every once in a while, I get this feeling in my stomach of sickness and starvation, and I feel that horrible thing, and I know that it's coming for me. It's only a matter of time before I want to take a break.
Jesus, they made a movie about that?
You're telling me, kid.
Would you look at that?